where you use where you go on Scratch or any similar website that they use block coding, and you code your microbit to either it can show you an image, it can play a song, it can make noise, all based off of what you programmed it to do on the Scratch related website.
What is, what would you say is microbit? What is the microbit?
Um, well, what it is out is it's just a machine.
A
And
machine, and it has a bunch of LED lights on there, right?
yeah, there's a bunch of LED lights on it, and it's each light. Well, you can program each light to like you can make it turn on, you can make it flicker, you can make it show like a picture. Like it's all based on whatever it is you want it to do.
Oh, very cool. Alicia, if you open up your Scratch and go to your extensions, you'll see something there that says microbit, and that's what he's kind of talking about. Um, it's kind of a little controller with a bunch of LED lights on there, and then you can program the lights to turn on and turn off, and in the sequence that they do it, something happens, right? So words come out or images. Yeah, very cool.